Stop scrolling right now. If you're 14 or even younger and you clicked on this video, you are not normal. Because kids your age are not thinking about money. They're not thinking about freedom. They're not thinking about becoming a millionaire. They're busy playing games, scrolling social media, and wasting time. But something inside you is different. You don't want to be average. You don't want to wait 10 to 20 years just to maybe become successful. You want results early. And today, I'm going to show you how a 14-year-old can start the journey to becoming a millionaire. No fake motivation, no shortcuts, just real truth. The system you are in right now, school, society, rules, is not designed to make you rich. It is designed to make you obedient. You are taught to listen, follow instructions, pass exams, and get a job. But think about this. Have you ever been taught how money works? Have you ever been taught how to build income? Have you ever been taught how to escape the system? No. Because if everyone knew that, the system would collapse. That's why you feel something is missing. And you are right. Right now, you have two powerful advantages: time and energy. You don't have bills. You don't have responsibilities. You don't have pressure. That means you can try, fail, and restart again and again without losing anything. That is your superpower. Most adults are stuck because they are afraid to take risks. But you are free. Now understand this carefully. Money does not come from working hard. Money comes from creating value. If you solve problems, you get paid. If you help people, you get paid. If you entertain people, you get paid. So stop asking, how can I make money? Start asking, how can I create value? That changes everything. At 14, you don't need money to start. You need skills. Skills are your first step. You can learn video editing, content creation, copywriting, graphic design, or social media management. Pick one skill, only one. Focus on it every day, even when it feels boring, even when no one is watching. Keep going. After 30 to 60 days, start working. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or Instagram. Message small creators. Offer your service. At first, work for free. Yes, free. Because you are building experience, not chasing money yet. Once you have proof, money will come. Now, most people stop here, but you don't. You build a system. If you learn video editing, you can get clients. Then create your own YouTube channel. Build your own audience. Sell your own product. Now money comes even when you are sleeping. Avoid these mistakes. Don't jump from one thing to another. Don't quit too early. Don't chase easy money. Don't compare yourself to others. This journey is not easy. There will be days you feel lost. There will be days you want to quit. But winners don't stop. Becoming a millionaire is not one big moment. It's small actions repeated daily. Learning, trying, failing, improving, again and again. At 14, you don't need millions right now. You need direction. You need consistency. If you stay on this path for the next 5 to 10 years, you will be unstoppable. Look around you. Most people stay average because they never start. But you are starting. You are thinking differently. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to start. Today. If you are serious, comment. I will start today. Remember, you're not late. You are early.